Basically, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I love to do makeup and I don't prefer very heavy or cakey kind of makeup. Rather prefer very light and simple kind of makeup. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple and easy smoky eye makeup tutorial. The best part of this makeup video is this is very easy and the products that I'm going to use are very affordable and easily available in shops or online pages. So no more chit chat, let's get started. First, I have cleansed my face with Garnier Pure Active Daily Deep Pore Wash. Cleansing is very important because it makes the makeup long lasting. I love this face wash because it makes my skin so smooth. I have applied M.A.C Moly Aloe Vera Gel all over my face as a moisturizer. You can use face oil or any kind of moisturizer you want. Now I'm going to use primer. Primer helps to reduce spots from your face. This is LA Girl High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. I love this primer because it suits with my skin. Now I'm going to use Milani Conceal Perfect Liquid Foundation and Concealer as my base makeup. I use other brands also, but recently I have found this one very good. Now I'm going to apply it all over my face and keep blending. I keep blending, blending and blending. And the blending is done. This is Golden Rose Stick Concealer in the shade 3. This is my most favorite because sometimes I use nothing but this all over my face. Today I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This one is also good. This is shade C 10.5. Concealer helps to hide dark circles and spots from your face. I'm going to blend my concealer with my finger. I'm very comfortable with this one. You can use Beauty Blender also. Now I'm going to use M.A.C Studio Fix Foundation. My shade is in C30. Whenever I visit any country, I rush to M.A.C store and buy this one. I'm going to apply this all over my face with foundation brush. Personally, I love my eyebrow to look natural. This is e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This one is very good. I always keep it inside my bag. Now I'm brushing my eyebrow with that pencil. For eyeshadow, I am going to use Colourpop Ooh Ha Honey Press Powder Palette. Also, I'm using Makeup Revolution Soph Extra Spice Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. Before applying eyeshadow, I'm going to use liquid concealer to look my eyeshadow more vibrant. First, I'm going to use this shade from Makeup Revolution palette. Now this shade from the same palette. Now this shade for smoky look. Now I'm going to blend all together. Blending is very important to make your eyeshadow look perfect. I'm going to use that last brown shade in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this shade from Colourpop palette to fill the inner corners of my eyes. For me, makeup is incomplete without eyeliner. Now I am going to use Makeup Revolution eyeliner. I always use Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is my most favorite. In regular basis, I use this kajal as my eyeliner. For my eyelashes, I am going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I don't feel comfortable to wear fake lashes. Here comes my most favorite part, blush. Today I'm going to use Bella from Juvia's Place. This color is so vibrant, I just love it. Now I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Chocolate Elixir Glow Highlighter. This is my most favorite. I use it every day. This is very pigmented. If you love pigmented highlighters, you must try this one. Also highlighting the corners. Highlighting other parts also. Nowadays, I'm in love with nude color lipsticks, and Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color is my most favorite. Now I'm using this e.l.f. makeup mist and setting spray. And I'm done. How was my makeup? Please give me feedback and comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.